I'm Bradley from Bayti Real Estate and welcome to this spectacular 5-bedroom independent villa in Furjan West on the market for rent. Heading into the home, you can see it's a very bright and full of natural light property. You have large usable spaces in the villa, storage under the stairs, and on the right, a large dining room table. Straight on, you'll find your first formal living room, very beautiful. And right next to that, your second formal living room. It's an amazing property, and it's amazing to see how many large spaces there is in the villa to use. From here on out, we're going to enter a very large closed kitchen, enough space for another small dining room table. It's a beautiful kitchen, large kitchen, and spacious to work in and to cook your favorite food. Through that door, you can go to the maid's room. Now heading around a corner, on the right hand side, you will have your downstairs bathroom. And right next to that, your first bedroom for the property. It's a downstairs bedroom. Very good size, and an ensuite bathroom as well. Turning right from the bedroom, you have access to a full set-up laundry. The door down there will be the maid's room and access to the garage. The property also includes a full driver's room, so it is equipped with a full maid's and a full driver's room for the villa. It's really just a very good property, a very spacious property, especially for a large family or someone that really needs space and wants a spacious property to live in. Now, from here on out, we're going to head upstairs. Upstairs, on the right, you'll find bedrooms and a full living area upstairs. On the left, you have your first upstairs bedroom, a very large bedroom full of natural light and more than enough space for desks, a working table, all those kind of things. It comes with a walk-in wardrobe and again an ensuite bathroom. All the bedrooms in this 5-bedroom villa are ensuite, which is fantastic. Heading further down the hallway, on the left hand side you'll find your second upstairs bedroom with its ensuite bathroom. You will see it's a very spacious bedroom, another working desk in there. It's a very decent size and the property is very well maintained. Right next to that, you will have your third upstairs bedroom. Again, a very decent size and a very beautiful bedroom. The bedrooms are also equipped with balconies. And then this is the third upstairs bedroom, ensuite bathroom. Now from here on out, you will see on the right hand side, you have a full informal living area for the family. This is a very good space and a usable balcony. Heading into the master's bedroom, there's lots of light coming through. A large master's bedroom, again with walk-in wardrobe and a full ensuite bathroom. The master's bedroom ensuite bathroom is equipped with a shower and a bath. And then from the master's bedroom, you have access to a very large balcony. The property does come fully furnished. Everything you see in the property will be there for you to enjoy. This is the outside garden. You have a full gazebo and a sitting area. You have a large private garden and also single row on a plot size of 6,485 square feet. Definitely a property that anyone would want to live in. If you are interested or want to schedule viewings for this property, you're welcome to contact me on the details provided and we can book you in.